So you are a staunch advocate about making lupus visible, and so we just wanted to ask on behalf of AstraZeneca, any particular programs or initiatives that you are currently planning to be able to narrow that gap, in terms of possibly early diagnosis or access to care. Appreciate it.
Thank you everyone for all the sharing. I also learned a lot this morning, especially all the patient stories. Uh, First of all, at AstraZeneca, our bold ambition is really to disrupt treatment paradigms across all our therapeutic areas. So we have in cardiovascular, metabolism, respiratory, oncology, even rare disease, and now for SLE patients, like specifically immunology. And we believe there has been limited or maybe even lack of innovation for lupus for the past decades. And this has resulted to much lower expectations, suboptimal treatment of patients, and even lower quality of life, for these patients. So our real goal, now that we want to work, with the lupus community, is to be able to elevate lupus care. First is for early diagnosis, earlier treatment of our patients so that they can have more durable and comprehensive control of their disease, because that way they can have better quality of life. As mentioned earlier, you can just imagine every day nagsasuffer ka sa patient. The pain, tayo nga lang, masugatan, sakit-sakit na o sumakit lang tiyan natin. Ang hirap na. What more with yung lupus patient with all these things day to day. And it's true na you don't die from lupus, you live longer life, but you can just imagine yung chronicity of those decades. And we as a company, we believe, na we want to bring opportunities and better care for our patients. So our primary goal is to work with the community also to challenge the current healthcare systems. Because we know it's not just about getting the proper treatment. Mentioned earlier by Doc, ang dami nating challenges ahead. There's lack of awareness, but definitely education is a critical piece. Lupus is diagnosed late. You have to go through different diseases first before, lupus pala. Another thing is also screening. I mean, it's not easily accessible to the patients. Even getting diagnosed and even getting the treatment, there's really limited access. So for us, we would like to work with the society, patient groups, and even the government, so that at the end of the day, it's not just our own selves and the doctors, but the private community, because we know the government has bigger opportunity and resources to help our patients. And we are one with you that we believe there should be a policy, maybe a bill, to support those patients, educating early primary care physicians, support for early screening and diagnosis, and even for the treatment itself. Yes, there is hope even with cancer. Cancer, we've seen, free benefit packages. So why not? Maybe in the near future, may free benefit package for our lupus patients. So we are here, as a company to support the medical society, the patient groups, the whole community, so that hopefully in the future, there's better opportunities for better care for our lupus patients. Thank you.
Thank you very